Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time you are coming across my video, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video you be the first person to be notified. So do so, thank you and God bless you. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you guys. This evening I want to be making make gizzard pepper gizzard. So I will be showing you guys the ingredients I will be using for this gizzard. So here I have the gizzard. So here I have tomatoes. As you can see, I blend these tomatoes, then I try to filter the water out. So here is my oil I will be using, and I have my salt, my curry, my cube, and I have garlic just to boil the gizzard. Here I have my paprika, just one paprika, because it's only this one I have in the house. So this one I have my onions, and this one is the half onions and pepper. So come with me guys. First of all I will boil the gizzard just for 5 minutes, then before I make the sauce and everything. So I've already washed the gizzard, so I'll be putting it here. So guys, just for 5 minutes, and I will not be putting water inside. So here I will add my curry inside. Here I will add my salt. So the curry is finished, so that is why I just take it like that. Here is my salt, and here is my ginger, my garlic, little bit of it, just for the meat, little, and then I'm adding my cube, one for parboiling and one to fry the sauce. So I will not add water to it. I'm not going to add water because I don't need water. So I will just leave it for 5 minutes, then I will drop it just for 5 minutes. So guys, look at it. I did not add water, but look at the way it's looking. Too much water. So I will remove the water, but before I will do that, I have to blend the pepper. Look at the pepper. So I will blend the pepper now. Pepper and paprika and onions. So I still have some onions here, the one I will be using to fry it. So guys, look at what I will be doing. I will use the water for the tomatoes to blend my paprika and pepper and onions. So guys, I'm finished blending it. So I want to remove the water now from the gizzard. So we'll be adding my oil. So look at it, guys. So if you want, you can also use this one to eat rice, or you can eat it like that. So now I'll be adding my salt. After my salt, I'll be adding onions. So I will not allow the onions to melt. I will still leave it fresh. So just a little bit. Just fry the onions a little bit, then be adding my tomatoes. Then my paprika and my pepper. Oh, sorry guys. Let me just leave it here. So I will leave it for 10 minutes. Guys, now we'll be adding my, look at the way it's looking. So I will be adding my cube. So now my gizzard inside. I will not use the water because I don't want water inside. So let me draw it closer so that you guys can see it. See what I'm doing right now. This one is Gizzard sauce. Pepper, with pepper, enough pepper inside, guys. So I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes again. I'll cover it for 5 minutes, then it's ready. So guys, let me open it so that you guys can see it. Whoa, so it's ready now. Look at it, yes. It's ready. It's ready. So guys, thank you all and God bless you. Just try this, you will enjoy it. Bye.